Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily, we've been drifting down pretty good, but we definitely do not have a break of structure. We still don't know for sure whether this move down is just a pullback to the last move up, which is why we got our Fibonacci retracement on there, or whether this is actually a complete trend reversal and it's going to go down and give us a break of structure, which would prove that this pullback is possibly over and it possibly is just going to keep on going down. But we need to keep our options open. This definitely could just be a pullback. It could bounce from any one of these fib levels and it could continue the higher time frame uptrend. And luckily, if we allow the market to tell us, we will know when this move down is complete. Because if we tune our time frames correctly, which I think is roughly the 2 hour time frame, and then we see a break of structure to the upside, then we'll stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So we did have a pretty nice little fib bounce right here, nice 50%, but it never broke any structure. So the trend is definitely still down on a correctly tuned time frames. If this makes a higher low, goes up and breaks structure, then I'll definitely become bullish the dollar. If it just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, then I'll just stay bearish the dollar. Like I said, if we allow the market to tell us, we should be able to know when any given wave in the market is over. And right now, this wave has definitely not told us that it's over. So I'm definitely going to continue to look for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves until I see some evidence otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.